Good morning children, welcome to Narayana Live Classes K discussion of class 10th. Today we will discuss 10th assignment, that is also the ideas of development. What are the advantages of the education? What are the advantages of the education? First of all, the rational thinking or the scientific thinking will be there. Rational thinking is developed with the help of the education. And second one is we can face and fight against any injustice. Fight against injustice or fight against exploitation. Against exploitation when we are having the knowledge. And third one is complete knowledge. Knowledge. And fourth one is wide thinking. We will be having a wide range of thinking. So these are the advantages of the education. Write any slogans on the importance of the education of girls. Education of girls. First one is educate girl. Educate girl. Then what happens? She in turn educates the family. And finally that leads to the education of the society. Educates the society. So that is very, very important. And second one is all are equal. All are equal. Girls are also a part of society. Society. Educate them. Educate them. Like this, any kind of slogans you can write. Okay. And why do you think parents accord less priority for girls' education? Why the parents will give less priority? First one is boy preference. Most of the parents, they prefer the boys because they consider that the boys are the heads. The boys are the heads of the family. So they consider that boys are to be given highest priority. Second thing is social customs. The social customs. Some of the social customs, they don't allow the girls to come out of the house after a certain age. And the next one is security. Even on security reasons also, they will not allow the girl to go for education. And next one is marriage. After the marriage, they will consider that the girl will be leaving to the leaving or going away to another house. Hence, they don't prefer to give education to her. These are the constraints in the girls' education. Okay. Income from fact that Himachal Pradesh with low per capita income has a better HAI rank than Punjab. Punjab, as already we have discussed, Punjab has a per capita income of 78,000. 78,000 per annum. But whereas Himachal Pradesh, it has per capita income of 74,000. But even then, Himachal Pradesh has progressed very well. Why? What is the reason means? Because Himachal Pradesh, it has given its priority for the development of the education. With this education, what happened? The gender bias has come down in the society. Gender bias and all the people, including girls and boys, they started working or they started going for the jobs, and hence automatically the income improved. So that means what happened with the development of the education, the society will develop, and this development automatically increases the per capita income. So always that is Himachal Pradesh, though it is having a low per capita income, it increases its position because it has given the highest priority for the education. That is the reason that Himachal Pradesh has a better rank than Punjab. It is having a better rank than the Punjab. Why is it necessary for government to run schools in Himachal Pradesh? Because first one is, it is a hilly region. No private organization will run there because of the lack of profits. Second thing is difficult to cross. Third one is the government has decided for the improvement of the social conditions. Improvement of social conditions or society. So what did they do? They have spent 2005 rupees per child. 2005 rupees per child for the improvement of the education in Himachal Pradesh. They have established or they have started giving importance for the infrastructure like the tables, chairs, blackboards, means all the necessary equipment has been provided for Uttarakhand. And next one is they brought awareness among the parents. Awareness among the parents for the improvement of the conditions. So due to all these things, what happened? Automatically the government they have taken a step, because these cannot be provided by the private organizations. Hence the government has to take a step for the improvement of the education in Himachal Pradesh. So understood children, that is the most important duty of a government. That's all for today children. Tomorrow we will meet with one more assignment key, and until then have a nice day. Thank you.